Most people think wealth comes from earning more. But the truth is, wealth comes from habits. And today I'll show you the 5 daily money habits the rich use that most people ignore. Wealth isn't built in one big moment. It's built in small decisions, tiny choices you repeat every day. And when these habits stack, your money grows almost automatically. These 5 habits aren't complicated. They're not extreme, and anyone can start using them today. Let's take Mia. She earns an average income, not a 6-figure salary, not a business owner. But she used these habits consistently for 2 years. And here's what happened. Her credit score jumped over 120 points. She saved her first $10,000 emergency fund, and she started investing without stress. Not because she worked harder, but because she worked smarter. Step-by-step breakdown habit 1. The 24-hour rule. Any purchase over $20 waits 1 day. This alone cuts emotional spending by half. Habit 2. The weekly money check-in. 10 minutes every Sunday. Look at spending. Look at income. No judgment, just awareness. Habit 3. Automatic investing. Set it once, forget it. Even $20 a week builds momentum. Habit 4. The 2-account system. 1 account for bills, 1 account for everything else. This prevents overdrafts and money confusion. Habit 5. Tracking net worth monthly. The rich don't track income. They track growth. Seeing progress boosts motivation. Pick 2 of these habits. Just 2. Start them today. Small changes. Big impact.